Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials out of the way. Plug the laptop into power and make a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Next, find your Dell service tag or model number on the sticker or in System About. This tells you exactly which drivers you need. Once done, connect to a stable network and close unnecessary apps. These steps prevent interruptions and make the rest of the update process reliable and fast. You should now go to Dell Support or Open Device Manager to find outdated drivers. On the Dell site, enter your service tag and choose the correct operating system so you download matching 64-bit or 32-bit files. Install drivers in the recommended sequence. Start with chipset, then video, audio, and finally network, because dependencies matter. Chipset drivers can affect others. Make sure to reboot when an installer asks, and keep a note of versions you update for future reference. Finish by rebooting at least once, then check Device Manager to confirm there are no warning icons and that driver versions match what you installed. If something behaves oddly, run Dell Support Assist Diagnostics to pinpoint failing hardware or corrupted drivers. If a new driver causes problems, roll back the driver from Device Manager or use the restore point you made earlier. This is why you created it. Keep drivers current, but
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.